Mastering reliability testing protocols. Reliability KPIs are a mystery to most teams. How do their teams define and track the key performance indicators, KPIs, that effectively measure reliability in their organization? In the pursuit of operational excellence, defining and tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, is crucial for measuring reliability in an organization. Effective KPIs provide a clear understanding of an organization's current reliability performance, enabling teams to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize their processes. Reliability teams typically define KPIs that focus on equipment, process, and maintenance performance. These KPIs can be categorized into three primary groups: leading indicators, lagging indicators, and operational indicators. Leading indicators are proactive metrics that predict future reliability performance. Examples of leading indicators include mean time between failure, MTBF, the average time between equipment failures, providing insights into the reliability of equipment and maintenance strategies. Mean time to repair, MTTR, the average time required to repair or replace equipment, indicating the efficiency of maintenance processes. Preventive maintenance, PM, compliance, the percentage of scheduled PM activities completed on time, revealing the effectiveness of maintenance scheduling and planning. Lagging indicators, on the other hand, measure the outcomes of reliability performance. Examples of lagging indicators include overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, a comprehensive metric that accounts for equipment availability, performance, and quality, providing a holistic view of equipment reliability. Downtime, the total duration of equipment unavailability, highlighting the impact of failures and maintenance activities on production. Maintenance cost is a percentage of replacement asset value, RP, a financial metric that expresses maintenance expenditure as a percentage of the asset's replacement value, indicating the cost-effectiveness of maintenance strategies. Operational indicators monitor the health of reliability processes and systems. Examples of operational indicators include spare parts inventory levels, ensuring the availability of critical spare parts to minimize downtime and optimize maintenance response times. Workforce utilization, measuring the efficiency and productivity of maintenance technicians, helping to identify opportunities for training and process improvements. Root cause analysis, RCA, closure rate, tracking the effectiveness of RCA initiatives in identifying and addressing underlying causes of failures. To track these KPIs, reliability teams employ various data collection and analysis methods, including computerized maintenance management systems, CMMS, software platforms that store and analyze maintenance data, providing real-time visibility into equipment performance and maintenance activities. Reliability-centered maintenance, RCM, analysis, a systematic approach to identifying and prioritizing maintenance activities based on the reliability of equipment and systems. Data analytics and machine learning algorithms, leveraging advanced statistical techniques and artificial intelligence to uncover patterns, trends, and correlations within large datasets. By defining and tracking these KPIs, reliability teams can identify areas for improvement and prioritize initiatives based on their potential impact on reliability performance. Monitor the effectiveness of maintenance strategies and adjust them as needed to optimize equipment performance and minimize downtime. Communicate reliability performance to stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is aligned and working towards common goals. Ultimately, the selection and tracking of KPIs are critical components of a comprehensive reliability program, enabling organizations to drive operational excellence and achieve their desired levels of reliability performance.